At Cogsdill Tool Products, we're pleased to offer the widest array of burnishing products in the industry, supported by the broadest range of experience in applications engineering and custom tool design. Roller burnishing is a sizing and surface finishing technique which uses hardened and highly polished steel rollers brought into contact with the workpiece to size, finish, and work-harden surfaces, yielding a mirror-like burnished finish. Cogsdill Tools burnishing tools and machines include internal and external roller finish tools, bearingizing tools, CX external roller burnishing machines, diamond burnishing tools, and universal single roll burnishing tools. The internal roller finish tool is representative of the entire roller finish family of standard tools. The parts of the tool are the tool body and shank, the mandrel, the cage, and the rolls. The tool shown here has 5 rolls. The number and size of the rolls varies from tool to tool. The adjustment procedure for all roller finish tools is basically the same. As shown, the tool can be adjusted in 1/10,000th inch increments over a total adjustment range of 40 thousandths. A rear castellated adjusting collar interlocks with a threaded and castellated bearing collar to keep the tool in adjustment. To change the tool's adjustment, simply retract the spring-loaded adjusting collar and rotate the threaded bearing collar. This changes the position of the tapered mandrel relative to the tapered rolls and changes the effective tool diameter within the range specified for each tool. Hardened steel rolls generate pressure on the surface being burnished. As the roller finish tool is fed into the workpiece, the material in microscopic peaks or high points on the surface is forced to cold flow into the valleys or low points, creating a smooth, mirror-like finish and a tough, work-hardened surface with superior load-carrying characteristics. The primary benefits of this process are improved surface finish, improved size control, increased surface hardness, and improved fatigue life. The roller finish tool is offered in 3 styles: through-hole with a no-helix cage for use in machine-fed applications, through-hole with a helix cage for self-feeding applications, and bottoming for blind holes with a no-helix cage for machine feeding. The internal roller finish tool is available in up to 4 standard work lengths: the 2-inch work length, the 4-inch, the 6-inch, and the 8-inch length. At Cogsdill Tool Products, we design and manufacture precision tooling for a variety of metalworking operations: sizing, finishing, hole deburring, chamfering, recessing, grooving, and facing. We support our customers with custom tool design, applications engineering assistance, and excellent worldwide technical field service. For more information about our products and services, see your authorized sales agent or distributor, or contact us directly. Cogsdill Tool Products, tool makers since 1914.